YouTube, I vacuumed battle today, and unusually, but once in a blue moon, I have a cameraman. Hoover nano lite cyclonic Kirby G6 and Dyson Dc15. These two are no loss of suction. I'm going to start with the nano lite cyclonic. Dog will move. Seems to do a pretty good job. Actually, really good. It is a new one, so now the Kirby G6. Dyson Dc15. If I did have to choose two that would want, it would probably be the Kirby and the Hoover. The Dyson, not so much on the other hand. I do not know my cameraman's vote.
I'd pick the first two. The Dyson kind of pushes it away.
Yeah. But these both do have automatic height adjustment. This one is apparently working better.
But that G6 thing, that thing was swag. You just click the thing and it would like an elevator.
Alright, thanks for watching.